Okay guys, so I'm giving my console table a fresh spring look, and this bold black wallpaper DIY to me is the perfect backdrop. Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful family, to another video, and trust your day and week is off to an amazing start. To my returning subscribers, a very big shout out to you all for always stopping by to watch another video. I appreciate you all so much. And my new subbies, you are warmly welcome to this amazing family. Thank you for also stopping by. Okay guys, so I've been meaning to give this wall an accent color, and black is classic and timeless, as y'all know, so I decided to go black. Alright, without further ado, let's get the ball rolling. Okay, so this is a rundown of the before of this wall. So obviously I'm taking down these gorgeous teardrop mirrors. I love them so much. I think it's been on this wall for over a year now. That's how much I love it. And starting off from the middle with a black wallpaper, because this vaulted ceiling was giving me a tough time, guys. The wall isn't smooth at all, so you'll see some bumps and patches in it, but of course the mirror will cover part of most parts, so we're good to go.
Little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. Look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
Okay, so this is the next day. That is why I have change of clothes. I'm placing the mirror, and I followed with a strip, peel and stick strip light. I really love the outcome. They look gorgeous together already.
Leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life.
Okay, for style number one, bringing those pretty lamps.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful day.
And this vase with this one of a kind. These stems are unique, guys. I love them so much. The Irish moss stems from this website, but unfortunately the website that I got this from, they are closed. But I used my Google Lens and found Home Depot and Craft Outlet, so I bought two more from Home Depot and one from Craft Outlet. And the Craft Outlet stems are a little shorter, and the Home Depot ones are taller, but they don't look too real like the one I have here. But unfortunately they have closed the website, so I just used the Home Depot ones, and I'll link I'll link both in the description below.
So slow.
Okay, moving on with the second style. I placed the small vase. I replaced the small vase with these decorative boxes from mydazzlingdecor.us.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
And sat these beautiful figurines on top of them. They are also from mydazzlingdecor.us. So this complete style number 2. Yeah, the same as style number 1, but the difference is the decorative box and the figurines, those two ladies sitting on top of it. And that completes style number 2. How are you guys liking it so far? Please drop a comment, okay? Let me know. I just want to know how I did. Okay, so moving on to style number 3, I took everything away except the decor books. I brought in this beautiful TJ Maxx marble tray. It's so gorgeous, pretty. And here comes the decor drama queen. Nature's own brushstroke. Guys, these peach cherry blossoms are soft and ethereal. And I love how it rises graciously in the white and gold vase. It's so soft yet bold and commanding. I love it so much. How I paired it is it's so beautiful, and all of them are from my dazzlingdecor.us. Okay, so I I paired it with a candle and sat on the an orb. I can't talk. And sat an orb from Ross in the decor boxes. All right, so now if you want, you can leave out the decor boxes and the orb, and it will still look pretty by itself. Okay, so I started style number 4, coming in with these beautiful storage boxes from Burlington a couple years ago. And also added 4 storage boxes. My heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I set this green and white hydrangeas from my dazzlingdecor.us in this gorgeous textured vase from Home Goods. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you. And I brought in this glass decor object from Z Gallery. And another favorite, guys, this candle warmer from Amazon is everything. So beautiful. And the candle is from Burlington, and it smells so amazing. You hear my prayer. Okay, I'm losing count, but I guess this is style number 5. Anyone I know, and you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this please.
All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby, we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine.
And I added a candle and a snuffer to complete it. Okay, so saving the best for the last. To wrap today's video, guys, I love how all the styles bring a unique vibe. Please don't forget to drop a comment to let me know how I performed, what I should have added or deducted. I'm open to it, guys, and how you would also have styled yours. Just curious. I just want to know your thought. Okay. Let me also know your favorite, guys, and hopefully this inspired and motivated you to also give your space a refresh. And if you found this video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. Click on the bell icon 2 times. Subscribe for more future videos and decor inspo. And until next time, guys, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all always, and bye-bye.
Crashing down, but baby, we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine. It's you and I. It's you and It's you and Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.